The Spectator can show you images, videos, and live screen shares on the virtual whiteboard and write or draw on them. The virtual whiteboard is mainly operated by the Spectator, while the operator can be guided via the provided content. Attached to the virtual whiteboard, you can also find the media library. When starting the remAid HoloLens app, you won't see the virtual whiteboard immediately. To turn it on, you will have to enable the virtual whiteboard by pressing the whiteboard button on the hand menu. The first time you open the whiteboard, it will position itself in front of you. After that, the whiteboard will retain its position when being disabled and enabled. To move the whiteboard to the required location, you have two options. To move the whiteboard with your hand pointers, first, target the virtual whiteboard and then perform and hold the air tap gesture. While you hold the air tap gesture, you can move the whiteboard. You can also rotate your hand to rotate the whiteboard. Once you release the air tap gesture, the whiteboard will no longer move, but stay in its current position. To grab and move the whiteboard directly with your hands, grab it at its outer frame. Keep holding it while you move the whiteboard. Lastly, you can also adjust the rotation of the whiteboard by grabbing it at the outer frame and moving it in a circular motion. There are two different ways to scale the whiteboard. To scale the whiteboard with the hand pointers, you first have to target it with both of your hand pointers and then perform the air tap gesture with both hands simultaneously. Keep holding the air tap gesture as long as you are scaling the whiteboard. You can also adjust the size of the whiteboard by grabbing the handle on the corner of its outer frame and then dragging it to the appropriate size. If you want the whiteboard to be always within your vision, you can activate the Follow Me function. To enable the Follow Me function, you have to press the Follow Me button in the Interactions section of the main menu. This Follow Me function might also be useful if you can't find the whiteboard or if it is in an unreachable position. By activating Follow Me, the whiteboard will instantly appear in front of you. To disable the Follow Me function, just press the Follow Me button again. Then the whiteboard will stay at its current position. If you are done using the whiteboard, you can either press the whiteboard button in the hand menu again or the close button on the top right corner.